Let's take a look at these examples. This time we're supposed to find conductance for the following values of resistance. Let me remind you that conductance is the ability of the circuit to allow the current. In other words, conductance is nothing else just the reciprocal of the resistance. So, if I want to find conductance for this resistance, I'm supposed to simply divide 1 by this resistance, which is equal 1 divided by 20 ohms is equal 50 milli Siemens. Let's take a look at another example. I have R equals 220 ohms. So G is reciprocal of the resistance, which is equal 220 ohms. This is equal 4.54 milli Siemens. Remember that your answer is supposed to be expressed in engineering notation. Resistance is equal 2.1 kilo ohms, and I have to find conductance. Simply divide 1 by 2.1 kilo ohms. This is equal 476.19 micro Siemens. Please keep in mind that anytime you are going to deal with the very large numbers or very small numbers, you are going to use engineering notation. And if you are going to enter these values into the calculator, you're supposed to make sure that anytime you will see K, you will press on your calculator the button called EXP or double E. And you are going to enter 2.1 kilo instead of just 2.1. Students very often make mistake by ignoring kilo. That's why their answers are always wrong. You have to make sure that you are going to enter 1 divided by 2.1 EXP3, and you will get this answer. Okay? So these are the solutions to these problems.